It's about 5. Oh, sorry, Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet here. It's about 5 p.m. in Pennsylvania, a little bit after. Check out these double frequency clouds. Freaky frequencies. Check it out when the cotton ball mix. And see some jet trail remains right up here. I wasn't out to see it because I was sleeping, but I had one eye open. My third eye was seeing jet trails in my sleep. I was partially awake because I'm in pain. Alright, that's about it. That. Got the goo. Alright, it's gonna be a crazy sunset, most likely. We'll check it out. Alright, gotta go. Don't jump now. Alright. And here he's up the street. Somebody's coming up behind me. You have a floating triangle cloud there of some kind.